Here's a customer comes in having me look at this because what they found after they got their exhaust manifold fixed, they find two brand new exhaust manifold bolts up in the cowl, spark plug wire unhooked, misfire. So they brought it for me to look at. Yeah, it looks like they broke off a new bolt in the front. You can see where it's leaking. And then if you look at this bolt back here, that one's nice and tight. Yeah. A little extra trying goes a long way. I don't know how people can just put stuff together and just, slather ass, slam it out the door to make their money and see ya. Make it even better now that I'm tearing this apart. I don't know if you've ever seen an exhaust manifold basket, but it says down. Exhaust manifold side. This was upside down like this. So this little tab was bent over on the temperature sensor on the head. Obviously I had to bend that over. I think it's gonna have to get a new gasket too. Yep, great work. I start looking at the passenger side. If you can see that up in there, but the dipstick bolt is barely even in there. Then you got the gasket on backwards, so it bends the tab over on the bolt back here. So this side's not correct either. Yeah, wonderful. At least they got me some work.